So the second topic is we have done some improvements on the appearance of the inherited elements in state chart diagram. So in the slide, I put two screenshots, one from old preference page, the left one, and the right one is the new preferences we introduced. So it is available under the real-time diagram, real-time development diagrams on the state chart preference page. Yeah, in the same location. So I also just for differentiate, I mark this different color. You see the changes what we made here is we changed this group name. Earlier it was appearance and we made it to inherited element appearance. And also this label name also changed line style to be used for inherited elements to line style. And so the preferences are same. Only thing is earlier it was gray tone. The default preference is gray tone. Now we changed it to dash, and so we have introduced this line width in the sprint. So it has a small, medium, large. The reason we introduce this line width preference is in the diagrams, the inherited elements, the appearance was not great. Yeah, maybe I'll show you in the tool so how difficult it is to recognize the inherited elements and redefined symbols. Yeah, maybe yeah, I took this screenshot for the this effects of these preferences. Yeah, this text I just my purpose I kept here. If you see this middle image is a preference. Line style is dashed and the line width is small. The above one is line style with the dashed, and here I have all the inherited elements, and the timeout is a redefined symbol. So the two changes we made here, only one change we made earlier for the redefined symbol, it was dashed, and also we are showing this blue arrow. This blue arrow still in the crowded diagrams, it was not visible clearly, and it is very close to the arrow. Yeah, maybe I'll show you in the tool. I will see. So other thing, we kept it as it is earlier also for dashed preference. We are having this dashed lines for all the inherited elements and also redefined symbols. Now we made this redefined symbol is having a dash with two dots as we documented here. Oh, sorry, something is happening. I don't know. Yeah, can you see my screen? It was black. I clicked in the middle.
Yeah, we can see it still.
Okay, thanks. And below, I match the line style with a gray tone, and line width is same medium. So this is how the appearance is now. And earlier it was line style is gray tone and line width is small. So if you want, you can set it back by just changing this line style and the line width as a put here. Yeah, maybe now I'll switch back to tool and show you. Now in the older version of the tool, you see I have a lot of symbols here, mostly inherited elements and symbols, and one transition and state is a local symbol. In this diagram, I also have few redefined symbols. Just by seeing it, it's very difficult, at least for my eyesight. So it's not recognized that easy. See here I have redefined T4 transition, and state 4 state also have redefined, and down here T5 transition also redefined, but that blue arrow is there, it's down. Yeah, we need to scroll down and see here, and state 5 also redefined. Yeah, and lines also it's very thin, and we cannot see differentiate the redefined transitions states and inherited elements. So now I'll switch back to a new version of the tool. Yeah, so here let me check the preference. Yeah, I have default preferences. The line style is dashed and the line width is medium. I'll just drag this. So at least here the line style, if we check, if you see here the little difference between inherited symbols and redefined symbols here. So I used the same model from the old version of the tool. So the T4 and state 4 also redefined. It has 2 dots in between the dashes. You can see this T5 also. Yeah, so this is how it will appear with this default preferences. If you want, you can change it to large. Maybe people have a little bad eyesight. I'll just apply and see how it appears. Yeah, this is how it looks with the line with the large preference.